Cheers, welcome to Cooking While Drunk. I'm Tony, your favorite drunk. What are we making today? Split pea soup, part 2. Or a redo, I should say. We do some oil, so let's get our pot going. This is going to be a simple recipe. We're going to saute some vegetables, so here's a little bit of oil. Give the pan a swirl. Onions. This is 1 onion diced. We're going to add 2 diced celery stalks. This is 2 diced carrots. I used regular carrots this time because someone doesn't like carrots anymore. And it was so easy to use the baby carrots when I was using those. Find my spoon. I know I had it somewhere. There it is. Don't forget to season every layer with some salt. So we're going to let this saute for about 3 to 5 minutes until the veggies get a little soft. A little more salt. So let this saute. You don't want it to brown, but you want them to soften. So adjust your heat as needed. I'm going to turn mine down, and we'll be back in about 3 to 5 minutes. Cheers. Cheers, welcome back. I switched to a cocktail. It's sake, soda water, and half a popsicle that Annika and Mommy made, which is, what was in it? Blueberry, banana?
No, just blueberry and honey.
Blueberry and honey.
And water.
And water. And Annika didn't care for it, so I asked if I can have it. And I said, ooh, this would make a good cocktail. And it came out pretty good. Alright, we're making our split pea soup here. Welcome back. Hey, don't forget, hit like and subscribe. Find me on YouTube. You'll find us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Let me know what you like, what you didn't like. What do you want to see? I already have one special request for Christmas cookies.
Yes! Christmas cookies!
And we also have a couple other videos coming up soon. We've got, I forgot what I made. Oh, bean soup is one of them.
Philly cheesesteak.
Philly cheesesteak's another. Alright, so now I'm going to add the garlic. And the garlic is in a large dice. It's not really in a fine dice. Give this a stir for a second or two. Okay. So now I have 1 pound of picked and rinsed split peas. I'm using green today. You can use green or yellow or orange or I don't know what other colors they have. Oops. I have rinsed them, and then they kind of stick together, so there we go. Plus when you add the liquid, they'll separate out. There we go. Oops, get on my hands. There we go. I have 4 cups of chicken stock. I have 1 good sized sprig of thyme. Give it a little stir. One last little pinch of salt. I'm not going to add too much salt because you can always add salt later on. And that is it. I'm going to put the lid on. Actually, we're going to let this come to a boil. We're going to put the lid on, drop it to a simmer, and we're going to let it cook for about 30 to 45 minutes. Alright, so once it comes to a boil, hit that sucker down to a barely simmer, put on your lid, and go relax. Come back every 15-20 minutes, give it a little stir. If you see that the water is evaporating out too fast, just add a little bit more water or stock. Alright, cheers! Alright, welcome back. Let's see. They are done. I'm going to kill the heat. I'm going to grab a fork. I have a serving fork here so I can fish out the thyme. There we go. Give that a little stir. So now what I'm going to do is take the potato masher, or if you have a metal ladle, you can just use a metal ladle and just kind of smash this too. Kind of give this a bit of a smash. So you don't want to like break it completely down, but enough that gives a little creamy texture, and it'll still have a nice little bit of bite to it. And there we go. Taste test. Part of my chicken that's there. That's my little scrap lunch. I love the chicken back. The seasoning's there. It's perfect. It's got a little creaminess to it, a little sweetness from the peas and the carrots. I think it needs more garlic, but I think it's fine. You know, too much garlic would overpower it, I think. Plus, you can see it's got some nice chunks of garlic there. So, there you have it. Just a few ingredients. You got nice split pea soup. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you liked it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Cheers. You guys have a good evening.